Good morning. This is some extra review for you to help you prepare for your final exam, which will take place on Thursday and Friday. So question number 1, you should have completed. Solve each of the following. State if it has infinitely many or no solutions. So number 1, when I do that problem, what I'm going to do is I am going to start by subtracting 2x from each side. And when I subtract 2x from each side, what I get is 4 equals 0. This is not a true statement, and therefore my answer is no solution. Letter B, I am going to again solve it, and I'm going to start by subtracting 2x from each side of the equation. And when I subtract 2x from the left side of the equation, what I am left with there is 4. On the right side, I am left with x plus 4. So I subtract 4 from each side. And when I subtract 4 from each side, what I get is 0 equals x. Therefore, there is a solution, and the solution is 0. Letter C to solve, I need to begin by distributing, so I multiply this 2 by everything in the parentheses. So that gives me 2x plus 2. I bring down the rest of the left side, which is minus 2x, and that equals 4x plus 2. On the left side, I have two terms with x's. Since they are on the same side, I can add them together. So 2x minus 2x equals 0. So that side just has 2 now, equals 4x plus 2. Again, I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to start to subtract 2, because there is a 2 on that side. And when I subtract 2 from each side, I get 0 equals 4x. I divide both sides by 4, and 0 equals x. Last but not least, I am going to solve letter D. Again, letter D has parentheses, so I begin by distributing the 2x. Oops, what did the computer do to me? So I start by distributing the 2x, and when I distribute the 2x, I get 2x plus 4, and I'm sorry, I said 2x. I'm going to distribute the 2 to the x plus 2, which gives me 2x plus 4 equals 2x plus 4. Some of you may now already realize that those are exactly the same, but I subtract 2x from each side, and when I subtract 2x from each side, I get 4 equals 4, which is true, so it is infinitely many.